Hey, my name is George Diaz. Welcome to my vlog. My wife and I, we flip houses here in Reading, Pennsylvania. We try to find those ugly houses, we break them down and build them back up. We make it very simple for families to come, enjoy these beautiful homes, create memories, and have a lot of fun, just like we do breaking them down.
Just a little, 2 inches. All right.
So you put this one first. Well, yeah, you have to get the hat.
No.
Oh, you put it in already? Oh, all right. Yeah, I just don't have my lights on. Yeah, all right. Damn, so that's just like my trailer. Wow. Love it. Yo, so this is Lewis, the go-to guy, one of my mentors that has helped me tremendously. First of all, I did not know anything about construction when I started this. This is the expert.
Okay, bueno, entonces si es que lo tienen que hacer llegar para ver cuáles son, porque...
So, te los llevo. ¿Tú crees? Te los llevo. ¿Estamos preparados para eso?
Claro, para ver, pero si es que, claro, tráigalos que ustedes ya compraron para aquí mismo, si tiene esa medida que... Ustedes cogieron la medida aquí para comprar, ¿no?
Sí, sí.
Ok,
Pues,
sí, porque necesito uno de... A ver, es uno de 15, 36 inch, 12, arriba también la misma cosa, claro, ahí sí, porque tiene que cuadrar con el cuadro que tenemos.
So, yo lo que voy a hacer es, yo las llevo para allá y ahí vamos a ver cuáles faltan.
Ya, perfecto, hermano, no hay problema.
Ok, hermano.
Ok, está bien, entonces.
Now where the hell do we park this dumb trailer? Yo, who f***ing red car is this? That piece of shit to move, man. And whoever blue car that is, that piece of shit to move too.
Oh, yeah, baby, I like that.
Oh yeah, I didn't even peep. You said it says diesel. You gotta have fun with your workers, man. Midday, man. Because if not, you take it too serious, it'll be boring. It'll be too much work, not enough pleasure. Now, your boy gotta figure out how to park this.
One hour later.
Now we gotta finish sanding what was spackled today, which is this wall, this, ceiling, all this. We gotta finish sanding this. This room.
You wanna hit that corner?
Yeah, this wood there. We probably gotta. This room ready for primer. We need to figure out what we're gonna do.
Cover it up. Just put a piece of drywall over it, and then paint. I mean, we'll deal with that later. Worst come to worst, you can literally put a piece of wood, drywall right over it, and put a frame on the side. But I wanted to make a closet. What?
There's no wood on that side. There's wood on this side. No.
There's wood right here. Yeah.
This room.
So if do you want to primer this as well, or you want to get right to the paint? If not, primer it.
Primer it.
No, let him primer it and you can, or wait for it.
Tape, which was in bag, and that's what fucked up me. So I tried to get a light coat.
Alright.
Separate that.
Yeah.
The ceiling still needs to be
Right. Alright, so they'll fix this one and they'll do the bathroom. So you'll finish sanding, spackling and sanding downstairs. You can help them. And then you primer or paint, whatever, however y'all switch it. And if y'all want, once this dries up, then you primer the hallway. If not, tell them to do it. Because they'll, alright, so that's fine. Alright, so we're good. You'll sand that back room and primer both. Sand and spackle, and once it's all good, then you'll primer the back and you primer in the hallway too. So he'll be down here spackling and sanding, and upstairs that front room and the second room. The front room is gonna get regular paint. The second room is gonna get primer. So one of them's gonna paint, one of them's gonna primer. And then literally you can primer down here if everything dries up. I mean, when did you do this? Oh. Alright. So whenever y'all get there.
Yeah, well, listen, I got, there's this guy, he owns this, he owns his own, what's it called, landscaping company. But anyway, long story short, he hit me up, he said, yo, don't you know a guy that, he does, he's big on real estate, he knows what he's doing, blah, blah, blah. I said, yeah, what's up? He goes, well, I'm about to start wholesaling. And I want to have a conversation with you two guys. I don't know what the conversation's going to be about. I don't know what me or you would have a role in anything, but I was just calling to let you know to see if you wanted to sit down and have a convo.
I won't sit down, but I'll jump on the phone.
Okay.
If that works. Just because I don't know who he is. So I haven't really sat down with nobody.
Nah, I hear you.
But yeah, I'll jump on the phone. That's nothing. That's I know everything about wholesaling.
Or we could just have a phone. A phone thing would be faster. It'd be a lot easier for me too. I don't have to go nowhere to know.
Yeah, let's all do a three-way and we lit. Tell them 1Z free.
We do it.
I'm literally gonna be running around. I'm gonna be in the car for the most part for the next couple hours, just picking up trash.
Yeah, so am I.
So let me know.
Alright, so I'll give him a call and see when he's available for a conference call.
Alright, cool, man. What's up? Everything else cool?
Alright. Yeah, everything's good, man. Just running around right now. It's fucking hot out there.
Super, super. So the cool thing about owning your own business is that you're able to employ people and put people on that matter to you. So I got my little cousin learning landscape and learning painting. He's gonna be able to take these skills and use them for other properties, other projects, either my projects or some that he could advertise on his own, give bids and make his own money. So this property really came together, man. It was ugly. We got this one from one of the agents at my office. I was advertising We Buy Houses, and a client of his seen it, reached out to him and asked if I would make an offer. We came over, we checked it out, we made the offer. I made a really low offer at first, and then they came back to me and said, well, the minimum I'm gonna take is this, which ended up working out. I was able to negotiate, make the deal work, and it really came together. It's gonna be a beautiful home for somebody to enjoy. So what was real cool about this one is we now have light. Both of these rooms right here basically has 2 living areas. Neither of them had light. And let me show you this wall right here that we did. We busted this wall open to give it more love, give it more modern touch, which we've never really did this. I did it one time in the city a lot smaller, but we decided to do it here to give it some character, give it some life, make it feel modern, make it feel open. And I think it did just that. So somebody bought this one already. We're closing at the end of the month. We put it on the market. We got a few offers right away. It truly worked out. And what I learned is quality over everything. Do it right the first time, even if you gotta pay more, because if you pay a cheap person, you're gonna have to probably pay 2 or 3 cheap people and then 1 professional come through and clean up all their mess. hire the professional from the beginning so that they don't have to clean up anybody's mess and make it right the first time. Because at the end of the day, time is money. The more time you take, the more it costs you every single day holding properties. So getting in and out is super crucial for me.